Hello, I haven't even started the vlog yet. We're at the Shot Over Jet and we've just done it, so I'll insert the footage after this. But we loved it that much. Me and Jazz are going again. Instant replay, yay! So yeah, I took heaps and heaps of GoPro footage, plus we bought the online video and I'll put some footage of that in as well. We're just sitting down and having something to eat before we go on again, and I'll show you what it looks like. So that's where you get on, over there. And it goes all the way down there, and that bridge looks cool. Oh, you can hear it coming. There it is. How sick is that? I'm really excited to go again because it was so much fun the first time. Yeah. we've made it back from jet boating now. We've come to the water. It's Lake something or other. Oh, I don't know. It's Lake something or other. I don't actually know the name of it, but this is lunch view goals right here. You can see the mountains in the background. I've bought beef nachos. Jazz has a steak. And we're just going to sit here and eat our food. Yum! We are back from town now. On our way back we ended up booking a million and one things and I spent almost $1,000. We booked the Nevis swing, which is the biggest swing in the world. Milford Sound. And I also booked a glacier landing helicopter ride for tomorrow. And I'm doing that by myself, but that's going to be really exciting. We've been back for a while and we've just been chilling. Now we are going to go for a walk around our place we're staying because we haven't actually done that at all, and we're going to go check out the pool and the spa and hopefully do that later. So we've come down to the little pier bit, down in the water.
Can I just check my nose?
All our noses are burnt.
Why not that bad?
You can drink on the street. So we went and bought cruises so we can drink on the street. And now we're just watching the fire people behind us. They're like right there. Yeah. I don't even know if you can see me, but I'm going to bed now. It's been a very, very good day. We went out for dinner and everywhere is really expensive for dinner, apparently. We couldn't find anywhere over $30 or under $30 for dinner, so we ended up having KFC in the park, listened to live music, and then went and watched the fire people do their thing that you would have already seen. And yeah, now I'm going to bed and we have to get up early. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!